Hello everyone, welcome to Nihira Techiees. This is our Angular 13 series part 9. So in this part, I am going to explain style handling in Angular application. So hope all know in the Angular application we can use different UIs like the Material UI and Bootstrap UI. So we will see everything in the separate topic in our upcoming videos. So in this video, I am going to explain how we can handle the style and if any changes regarding the style, how we can manage in the global level or in the component level. So let me explain everything in the detail. Okay, here I actually split it into four ways. First one we can handle in the global way, and the second one is we can handle from our component level. The last two are internal and inline. So most probably we will use this global and component level only. So let me start from the global level. So this is my application. When you are creating new Angular application, this style.css automatically gets created. Here, if you add any changes, like if you are including any design related changes, it will be affected in the globally. Okay. See here, the one h1 tag is there, and my this is my default component. Okay. So here actually I am using this h1 tag. So if I see in the output, the color is green and also the font weight is bold. The same time I am going to create the one more component. So hope all know for creating the component the command is ng generate c, then our component name. So my component name is test1. So our component is created. If I go to the HTML page, here I can see one p1 tag. I'm going to change into h1 tag. Okay, this is fine. And in the selector, this is app hyphen test1. Okay, let me copy and call in our app component. Now see, so the test one works, it's coming, and see the style also the green color. So the whatever style we added in our style.css, it's coming here. And now you have one more question. So in some cases we have a very large number of lines. So in this case we may create the separate CSS. So how we can manage in the global way? So instead of having this style.css, we can create one more CSS file, and we should refer in our angular.json file. If we go to the angular.json file, okay, in the top of that we have the section styles. So default style is included. If you have a number of CSS also, we can refer the file names in the particular place. So then it will be work in the global way. So in this way we can handle any styles in the global way. Next I'm going to explain the component level. So in the component, as already we created the component test1, the test1 it have one CSS file. In the CSS file I am going to create one class, okay, for this h1, and the color I am going to give this aqua, or else I can give a red. Okay, now I'm saved, and let me see the output. So now if you see the component style is changed. It's a red color, but the default one is still in green color. So that's what the priority. The style basically works in the reverse pattern. So if you see in the screen, so as I mentioned the four ways. The last one is inline, and then internal, the global level, and final one is global. If you are included the same class in four places means it will take this inline. If don't have anything in the inline, it will take from the internal. If don't have anything in the internal, it will take from the component style. Finally, if you don't have anything, at last only it will take from the global CSS file. That is the concept here. So as I mentioned, this internal and the inline, this is not a important thing. It's like we can handle in the HTML page itself. So we all know the inline is very simple. Basically, we will use this style. Okay. In the style, if required, we can mention the color. And I am mentioning this is a black color. Okay, it's changed automatically into black color. And the same scenario, we can have the style tag in the top of that. This is normal HTML thing only. Okay, let me add. color equal to aqua. Let me remove this inline style. Okay, wait, it's not affected. So this dot is not required. Anyway, we are assigning for the element. Okay, fine. So the changes are gets affected. So this is all about style handling. This is very small video, and here I'm explained only the basic things. But I have the plan to explain direct use and Angular UI and also the bootstrap in my upcoming videos. So please subscribe my channel and stay tuned. If you like this video, like and share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching.